Hey everyone, we are at the Blue Boat Shed, or the Crawley Edge Boat Shed, on Mounts Bay Road in Perth, and right behind us is the famous Blue Boat Shed, or the Crawley Edge Shed, and behind us is an endless queue of people, the visitors to Perth that come here for the #1 IG Instagram photo. You can come along to the Google Maps and fly along, jump or walk. In fact, to get a tutorial, if you come to the page wabiz.org and search Step Inside Blue Boat Shed, you'll find our tutorial page and how to move around on the map. And soon we're going to do along the jetty. We haven't done that as yet. We're just waiting to coordinate that with management to see who's best to have on the shot. Okay, very good. Unbelievable, this location, how popular.